Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email address on Goodbudget's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your email on Goodbudget, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in goodbudget.com and make a search. The official page of Goodbudget's account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page and tap on Login. Log into your account and the home page of Goodbudget will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on My Household option. Under Email section, edit your email address and tap on Save. This is how you can change your email address on Goodbudget's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.